you guys, my name is Pamela, aka Pamazon Warrior, and welcome back to my channel. I have a ton of fabric laying around my place, stored in bins, from outfits that I have received from family members in Nigeria, or custom things that I had made, or clothes that I thought were really cute but are made of beautiful materials but no longer fit me because of happy weight. But instead of discarding those clothes or simply giving them away, some of them have a special connection to me, so I didn't want to necessarily give them up, but I wanted to repurpose them in a new way, which is why I made these fabric book covers. I have made a few of them so far, so you can see some of them and what they look like. But they are so cute and really simple and easy, so whether you're making this for yourself or you're making it for back to school or just want to make them as gifts or maybe even to sell them, stay tuned for the tutorial while I show you how to make these DIY fabric book covers. For this project, you're going to need some type of journal or book, some fabric to cover the book, a pair of scissors or fabric shears, and you'll also need some type of spray adhesive glue. The first thing you want to do is remove any stickers or adhesive tags on the book. Lay down the fabric and then place the book onto the fabric, leaving about 1/2 inch all around the edge of the perimeter, and then trim accordingly. Continue cutting around the book, leaving at least 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch of space. You should probably lay down some type of plastic bag because this project can get sticky. Readjust your book so that it's in the center of the fabric, and then you're going to use scissors to cut slits in the areas where we're going to fold over the fabric. This little flap in the middle, we're going to cut out. So just make sure you cut it about the width of the spine of the book. So just do 2 slits, and this piece we're going to eventually cut out, but for now it can stay there. Adjust the book again and repeat the process on the other side. So I did the first half of the book already because I wanted to make sure I was doing it right, but I'll show you exactly how to do the other half of the book. You want to spray it lightly with the adhesive spray and then lightly fold over the fabric. Press lightly because that particular glue is pretty absorbent and you don't want it to go through the fabric too much because then your hands will get all sticky. Trust me, I know. And then you want to lightly fold over the fabric, and this is why I said it was good to leave about 1/2 inch of fabric on both sides, because you're going to spray the inside of the book as well and then tuck that fabric in. I lightly resprayed the edges again because I just felt like it would be easier for the fabric to attach to the paper, and then this part is really just like trying to wrap a gift as closely as you can. And you want to repeat this process carefully all along the side of the book until all of the fabric on that side is fully tucked inside. Once you've flattened out all the fabric with the glue on that side of the book, take your scissors and you're going to snip diagonally, almost like it's a picture frame. That's what you want it to look like on the corner. It just allows it to be a smooth, clean surface, and you're going to make sure that you trim the edge on the other side of the book so that you can flip it and continue the process. This whole time I was doing it, I had already sprayed it with glue, so the glue stays pretty sticky for a while. Once you lay it down, then cut diagonally, and I sprayed the whole side of the page before pressing it down because you want to cover up your mess. Smooth out the page so that everything looks nice and neat, and then you want to take your scissors and snip those ends that I discussed earlier. After you've trimmed the ends, if there are still any stray strands, just use your fingers to press them down to the spine of the book. And repeat this process and make as many books as you want as long as you have fabric. Use these books for school, for personal use, or to give them as gifts. And you guys, that's it. Making these DIY fabric book covers is really that simple. So now it's time for the warrior word of the day. The warrior word of the day is manifestation. Now, manifestation means to essentially write the vision and make it plain, which is an actual Bible verse. It's to take something that's in your mind, a goal, a passion of yours, and to write it down into a physical form, essentially putting your belief from out of your head and into paper or through pictures, which is why sometimes people create vision boards. If you're not someone that's into vision boards, I recommend trying it, or to write things down in a journal to take your passions and beliefs to the next level. And I firmly believe that, putting things down takes your belief to the next level. Maybe that's me. Maybe I'm crazy. Who knows? It's up to you to do what makes you happy. But if you haven't done it yet, I recommend you start taking steps to put your faith into action. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. And if you have not yet subscribed, hit the subscribe button, like, comment down below, and feel free to join the family. And I can't wait to see you soon. Bye-bye.